And then this last one came from Wharton. Some of you know Wharton, University of Pennsylvania. It's one of the top business schools as well as Berkeley. This one should scare the shit out of all of us, right? CEOs die younger than their employees. With all the privilege we have, with the financial resources we gain by doing this stuff, the people in charge are dying younger, and it's because of the stress. The real famous study is from General Electric. They did it back in the 50s or 60s. But they found that their executives were dying a full 3 to 5 years sooner than the employees, right? The people who got to eat in the executive dining room are dying sooner. In general, like the more modern studies show that it's about a year and a half to 2 years. The equivalent of having smoked until you were 30 years old and then quit, by the way, right? So this is there, right? There's an increased lifespan. Wouldn't it be sadly ironic, right? Alanis will add you to her song if you build this gigantic business only to die on the first day that you don't actually have to go into the office, right? That's not why we got into this.